Hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel, Marife Adonis Official. And today we're going to learn something about our diet. I hope you will like this topic. These are the foods that are good for your diet. First, we have olive oil. Yes, olive oil potential health effects. Limited and not conclusive scientific evidence suggests that eating about 2 tablespoons or 20 grams of olive oil daily may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease due to monounsaturated fat in olive oil. To achieve this possible benefit, olive oil is to replace a similar amount of saturated fat and not increase the overall number of calories consumed in a day. Whole grain. Yeah. Okay. Paborito ng mga Pinoy. Health effects. Whole grains are a source of multiple nutrients and dietary fiber. Recommended for children and adults in several daily servings, containing a variety of foods that meet whole grain rich criteria as components of breakfast cereals. Whole grains are associated with improved micronutrients intake and lower risk of several diseases. Their effect on gastrointestinal health, risk of obesity, and cognition need further evaluation. Cereal proteins have low quality due to deficiencies in essential amino acids, mainly lysine. Supplementation of cereals with proteins from other food sources, mainly legumes, is commonly used to compensate for this deficiency. Since the limitation of a single essential amino acid causes the others to break down and become excited, which is especially important during period of growth. In contrast, the protein of the pseudo cereals have a high nutritional value, close to those of fasting, the main protein in milk. Quinoa and amara are the most nutritious grains due to their high content and quality grains with high levels of lysine, other essential amino acids. We have beetroots. Yan, okay. It's raw beetroot is 88% water, 10% carbohydrates, 2% protein, and less than 100% fat. And a 100 gram, 3 plus 1/2 ounce amount, providing 180 kilojoules or 43 kilocalories of food energy. Real beetroot is rich source of 27% of daily value of folate nutrients, having insignificant contain. Health effect. A clinical trial review reported that consumption of beetroot juice modestly reduced systolic blood pressure but not diastolic blood pressure. Turmeric. Okay. Turmeric or Curcuma longa is a flowering plant in ginger family Cinziveraceae. It is perennial, Xeromatus herbaceous plant native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia that requires temperatures between 20 to 38 degrees Celsius and high annual rainfall to thrive. Plants are gathered each year for their rhizomes, some of propagation in the following season and some for the consumption. The rhizomes are used fresh or boiled in water and dried, after which they are ground into deep orange yellow powder commonly used as coloring and flavoring agent in many Asian cuisines, especially for curries as well as for dyeing characteristics imparted by the principal turmeric constituent or curcumin. Okay, next we have nuts. You. Nuts may offer numerous health benefits, such as reducing your risk of heart disease and supporting your immune system. Some types of nuts include almonds, pistachios, and walnuts. They are a great source of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, healthy fats, proteins, and there are many benefits of eating nuts as a trusted source supporting healthy body weight and helping to reduce the risk of certain health conditions like heart disease. Nuts have various textures, flavors, and nutrients profiles. They're great on their own, paired with fruit or added to dishes like salads, desserts, and greens. Berry. A berry is a small, fluffy, and often edible fruit. Typically, berries are juicy, rounded, fruitly colored, sweet, sour, or tart, and do not have a stone or pit, although many pips or seeds may be present. Common examples of berries in the culinary sense are strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, wild currants, black currants, and red currants. In between, soft fruit is historical horticultural term for such fruits. Berries contains antioxidants which help keep free radicals under control. Free radicals are unstable molecules that are beneficial in small amounts but that can damage your cells when their numbers get too high, causing oxidative stress. Berries are a great source of antioxidants such as anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and resveratrol. In addition to protecting your cells, these plant compounds may reduce disease risks. One study showed that blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries have the highest antioxidant activity of commonly consumed fruits next to pomegranates. Fish. Fish is a low-fat, high-quality protein. Fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins such as D and B2 or riboflavin. Fish is rich in calcium and phosphorus and a good source of minerals such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium, and potassium. The vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids in fish can provide significant health benefits. The vitamin B12 found in fish is crucial for the growth of healthy red blood cells, DNA reproduction, and nerve function. Consuming enough vitamin B12 is linked to a low risk of dementia and heart disease. A lack of vitamin B12 is also connected to problems like chronic fatigue and anemia. Other health benefits of fish include improved brain health. Fish are rich in a type of fat known as omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are important for maintaining brain health. Having a low blood level of omega-3 fatty acids has been connected to accelerated brain aging, including symptoms like memory loss, cognitive impairment. In fact, these low levels of omega fatty acids have been linked to brain shrinkage during aging. Green tea. Here are the health benefits of green tea. It's oral health, good for bone health, weight loss, heart health, anti-aging, blood pressure, diabetes, also for cholesterol, immunity, asthma, air infection, liver disease, flu, and cold. All types of tea are made from Camellia sinensis plant. Green tea gets its name from the emerald green color created when brewing these unprocessed, unfermented leaves. With origins dating as far back as 5,000 years, green tea is commonly drunk and grown in East Asia, where the health properties are highly valued. Green tea includes high in protective plant compounds called polyphenols, may support focus and attention, may promote calm, may protect the brain, may boost metabolism, may support blood sugar control, may reduce diabetes risk, may reduce the risk of heart disease, may support bone health, and may improve gut health. We have the green leafy vegetables. Okay, yung mahilig sa gulay. Green leafy vegetables like kale and spinach are high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Adding a variety of greens to your diet may help boost brain health and lower risk of some diseases. Foods are likely good for the health of everyone, but don't forget, we need also a food for our brain and heart. And without the food of the brain and the heart, that is the food from the gut, from the mouth of God, or from the words of God. We need also to feed our soul for everyone benefit. So also I recommend you to read a Bible, take a fast every day, and be healthy. Thank you everyone, and this is your Marife.